Hi there guys, Ben here from Marcrist. Today we're going to talk about dust management. So what is dust? Well, dust basically is silica crystals within a material you cut in, so concrete, porcelain, marble, whichever. These crystals can get ingested into the lungs and then cause silicosis, which is very detrimental to your health. So we've come up with some solutions to aid the dust removal and to negate the risks. Okay, so you're back with Bernie again. Now we're going to have a look at the next mortar routing product from Marcrist. So now we're going to be looking at the RDC45, the Mortar Routing Dust Management Guard from Marcrist. So for reference, we're using the Bosch GWS750, a 125mm corded angle grinder. So first of all, we need to have a look at the boss on the angle grinder. You can see the normal guard has been removed. Now we need to add the collar ring onto the angle grinder. Okay, so the next part now, we've added the extension ring onto the angle grinder boss. Now we need to split the dust management guard into two parts. Add the first part over the ring, and then we just need to tighten up the screw and lock it down into place. Okay, so all we've got to do now, just nip down with the Allen key, just tighten it down. There we go, nice and tight. Next part, we need to add the second part to the angle grinder. Again, just slides onto the top and slides down into place. Okay, as you can see, we've now added the guide plate onto the mount, and now we're ready to rock and roll. All we need to do now, we can add the M14 extension onto the M14 shaft of the angle grinder. Okay, next we need to add our diamond router pin onto the extension. Screw that down into place like so. Okay, we've added the diamond mortar routing pin. So all we need to do now is lift up the guide plate, bring it into line. You'll see there, bring it into line with the shoulder of the diamond router pin. Then all we need to do is nip the guide plate back down using the Allen bolt there, and then we're ready to start routing.